What are you working on? Brought to you by Woodward Fabrication, selling quality metalworking equipment since 1966.
You're going to love today's What Are You Working On, because it comes from a guy that really knows how to have fun with cars. Now, his name is Mikey Brown. He's from Deputy, Indiana. And his project, he said, was a dream that he had in high school. And he always wanted a nostalgic front-end dragster. So he bought a replica chassis from Cornfield Customs, and then he started collecting parts. And after a few years, he started building it. Now, take a look at this. The engine is a bone stock 57 Chevy 235 6-cylinder out of his first car that he saved with this project in mind. It's also running a Shorty Power Glide tranny and a Ford 9-inch with 411 gears. And he said a buddy helped him fab up a lot of the brackets and sheet metal for it, and they had a blast building this thing from start to finish. Now, he said the first time he ran it was at the Meltdown Drags in Byron, Illinois, and he said he didn't win any races, but he didn't care, man, because he was having a blast with this thing, and he ended up winning the Nonconformist Award because, as he says, nobody expected a big bearded dude that's an upholsterer to come crawling out of a pink and white Barbie dragster, man. Check this picture out. This thing is great. Now, he said he's having so much fun with this thing, he's already piling up more parts to put on his dragster. And he calls this thing the Seam Ripper because, obviously, he's an upholsterer. This guy's a hoot. So, to recognize such a cool project, Mikey, we're going to give you one of these big bench vices from Woodward Fab.